Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a set of links and descriptions in the settings so you don't have to cut and paste every time you make a video. I've learned this a long time, but the settings are a little bit kind of cumbersome to kind of figure out where to go and do, so I'm going to show you how to do it when I am in Loom. So follow me there. All right, so here I am at my channel studio. The YouTube studio is where you take care of all the things. And here is where we're going to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up here. And here is where we have all the menu bars for what to do. Now you do have to scroll to get to things. So where we're going is we're going into the settings. There are lots of settings, but all I'm going to do is going to show you how you can cut and paste a description so you don't have to cut and paste every single time. When you upload a video, it'll automatically be there. So I'm going to show you where to go. I'm going to click on settings. Okay, so it opens up this box. And what we're going to do is upload defaults right here. So here's the upload defaults. Let me move my head somewhere else right here. So I don't put a title in because every title is different. So I leave that blank, but here's the description. So these are the things that I want to have in every single video. So here is new to YouTube, get my free Get Started guide, and that's the link to my Get Started guide. It's a PDF that's free. Here is the bio for me. So I will upgrade this as my subscriber counts get bigger because of course this is my baby channel, and my Vocal Splendor Studios channel has now over 75,000 subscribers, 17 million views. And then I keep, a little bit more of a bio, and then is all the links. So there is another link to my Get Started guide. There's my quiz, my free quiz Archetype about your YouTube archetype. Join my free Facebook group down below. There's my course. And then I have recommended resources, TubeBuddy, Canva, and the Fascination Advantage test, which I should probably talk about a bit more because that really helped me feel good on camera, because it shows you what people think about you versus what you think you should be. And it really, really, really helped me. I also set all of my videos to private. So once I upload them, they will be private because then I will put in all the information later. I don't want to upload without doing all of the things. You don't want to backtrack, have a video go out without all the things, because the thing about uploading videos and making them go live, it's like a horse race. You want to jump out with all guns firing. And if you have to backtrack and go and look at other things, it's wasting time. So you want to make sure everything is ready before you're going to turn that private video into a public video. And then right here are the tags. So I have YouTube Success Strategies. That's my channel page. And I don't put too much in there because the tags should be specific for your video. So yes, YouTube Success Strategies is my name, but generally speaking, I'm going to put my own things in there. But the big thing is right here is you don't have to cut and paste this constantly, because I've seen other people that they sometimes forget to put in those links. They forget the descriptions. The thing about the description is there is a lot of information in here. You can put in a lot. It's almost like a book. So all of this, and then I put this in here because I use this I'm giving permission. This is part of the music that you can get through YouTube, and I will do a video on that too, how to pull out the audios that are free. But some of the people want to give links, and that's what this one is, because some of them don't care, but some of the links that's on YouTube audio, and that's the sting that is the very beginning of my videos, and so it's also there. So all these things right here are going to be there every time I upload a video. It's a huge time save, and I'm going to click close, and then we're done. All right, I hope that was helpful. Super easy. Once you set it, you can forget it unless you want to update it. All right, so meet me back where I was before. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. I basically use that settings constantly, and if you need to replace it, you just go back into the settings like I've shown you, and you can update those links. Unfortunately, it won't update the videos you've already done. You have to actually cut and paste for that. But ever since then, once you set those settings for your uploads, once you have your upload settings, you're good to go, and you do not need to replace it until you do something else. Also, I want to let you know, and if you like the content, make sure you subscribe. And also, I want to let you know of my free group called YouTube Success Strategies. It's a Facebook group, and I share a lot of training and live streams and help and assistance in that group, and you can find all the information below in the description. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.